It's currently in its... Oh, little bug. You coming back this way, you're gonna get squashed. Not purposely, of course, but you might want to turn around. Ma'am, sir, ma'am, turn around. I got no problems with you. I just don't want to accidentally squish you. So I'm just going to... Am I in your way? Yeah. Just go that way. Good job. Good job. There you go. Do you want to move you to the other one? Oh, you're good. Oh, I'm still recording. Y'all, I be talking to nature. Rocks, squirrels, bugs, trees, you name it, I'll talk to it. If it's nature, I will talk to it. Water. My name is literally Sylvia. If you don't know what Sylvia means, it comes from Latin. Well, that's one of my names. That's the only name I really give people. It comes from Latin, and it means of the woods, but it's actually literally is the spirit of the woods, or the spirit of the tree, which is why I'm obsessed with nature so much. Just turn around. Do you need help? Do you want to climb on the branch? Here, climb. Go ahead. Go ahead and climb. Good job. Are you stable? Good job. Okay, I'm gonna move you to the other one, okay? Or do you want to go to a tree? Let's put you on the tree. All right. I successfully put the bug in this place. It will not get squished. Hopefully, I won't say that, so it doesn't happen. I don't think this is a good time.